Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at some different Apple Watch bands for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 from my friends over at Ultra Supply Company. And let me grab my knife here, and we will go ahead and get this puppy torn open. They sent over 4 different bands, so we're going to be taking a look at all of those today. Very excited because it's, one of their bands is actually the current one I'm using on my Apple Watch Ultra, but it's titanium band, and I got the black Ultra this year. So Ultra Supply Company, that's the black titanium right there. And I don't know what that one is. It's got a different sticker over it. Also got a different sticker over it. And this is their other, this is their titanium band right here with the new Pro closure. I forget exactly what it's called. It probably says it on here somewhere. Maybe not. But yeah, anyway, it's on there. It's got that on there. So we're going to take a look at that one. We'll take a look at this one last. I do have to size this one. It's got the sizing tool on the box, but I do have to size that one, so I'm not going to put it on in the video. But we're going to take a look at some of these other ones. These are kind of their more sporty bands right here. And this is the green and black one, which I really like. A rubberized material right there. I'll pull it apart. Rubberized material right there. So very nice. I have that green one, and then they did send over a it's almost like a cream, and a black one as well. So very nice. Those are going to look really nice with the Apple Watch Ultra, in my opinion, because they're nice, rugged, styles. And then this one right here is going to be my favorite. This is the Milanese loop for the Apple Watch Ultra, which I really like because it's nice and magnetic. I don't have to size it. Not that sizing their bands are hard. It's just, I just, one of those things I just don't like to do. And that goes for any band, not the Ultra Supply bands. But do check out the link in the description. They do have a discount code down there for you guys if you want to pick up any of their bands. I'm going to just slide the existing one off. Oops, it locked back in. There we go. Just slide the existing one off. There we go. Got the watch out. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this one on. I got to figure out what side is what. Or if it matters. I don't think it matters. I think we need to go, I want to say this is the top. And this might be the bottom, so we'll pop that on there and see if I'm right. Oop, if I don't drop the watch. This one is magnetic, so it's kind of sticking in there. Alright, it's locked into place. We'll go ahead and take the protective plastic off there. I might have it backwards. I don't know. Like I said, we'll figure it out. Alright, I gotta do this off camera because I gotta see what I'm doing here. Alright, let me give it a little tug here and get it tight. There we go. Very nice, very nice. I like that. I like how it looks with the black watch. Obviously, black band, black watch. Very nice looking. I'm excited to look at this one too. We're going to go ahead and open that one next. Like I said, I'm not going to size it in the video, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I will wear this one as well. So they do give you instructions here, a little QR code on how to resize it. It's fairly simple. They give you the tool right here. You just have to take the links out and, size it to fit. I need to count how many links I took out of my other one, and then I'll just do the same thing for this one, and we should be pretty close. All right, so here's the little clasp. Let me get the plastic off. So kind of just expands like that and then clicks in, as opposed to the regular one that we have with the little snap right there. So that's how that one looks and works. So you can see I did have to shorten that one a little bit. I think I need to take 3 links out of each side if I remember correctly when I did that one. So I'll do that and we'll try this one on later on. But yep, this is going to look really, really nice. I'll probably put this one on actually right now after I go size it. But that's going to look really, really nice with the black watch as well. So thank you to Ultra Supply for sending these out for review. They've sent, I think, they sent my other 2 out for review as well, and then they provided these for review, so you guys can check these out. I will leave their link down in the description, which also gets you guys a discount if anybody wants to purchase a band. They've got a bunch of different styles. They do have ones for the Apple Watch Series 10, Series 11, and Galaxy watches as well. So check out their link below and support them. And thank you guys for supporting me. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.